Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and in this video I'm sharing my experience with the Lenovo and why I don't recommend to anyone. Because of all the hiccups that went through this whole 3 years of journey, I would like to share with you guys. And if someone asks me which laptop to buy, I generally prefer them HP and Asus. So here's why, let's discuss in this video. Let's start, shall we? Okay, so I've created a script on my phone just to stay on point. So I will start in that way. So first of all, this laptop I bought on 29 December 2015 on Amazon. Now I actually was scrolling through the recommendations at 5 a.m. and I booked this laptop at 8 a.m. just because of the amazing price point. So at 37K, I got Core i5 4th-gen model, 4 gigs of RAM, AMD Radeon R9 2230 graphics card, which is 2 GB DDR3 graphics card, and 1 TB of hard drive with DOS. Now, it was amazing price point, and this was a one piece left. So in the morning 8 a.m. I ordered through the Amazon. I also have the unboxing video right here. You can check that out. Now, initially the installation was not smooth because it came with DOS, so I need to install Windows. And I was a PC guy. In PC, you just install things and Windows automatically installed to require drivers for you. But with laptop, this is not the case. Your Windows won't find all the drivers you need and you have to manually flash it. So I got a disk drive from Lenovo, which I started installing all the drivers. Turned out some of them were installing, some of them were not. And I was worried because those are original drivers. And some of them which installed didn't work correctly and the experience was really bad. And at that time, I was using the Sony Vegas Pro video editor, which I was using since PC days. So even the PC what I was having was the Lenovo ThinkCentre. Now that was gifted by someone, and that was also Lenovo. And my friends were also buying Lenovo. That's why I decided to go with Lenovo way. But I'm kind of mediocre happy, and I don't recommend it to anyone. Here's why. So first of all the pathetic driver things that have. But Lenovo has a good support. I contacted them. So it went this way. Lenovo took a remote of my laptop and they started digging the control settings, or control panel settings. They see that graphics card was detected by Windows. And they were telling me that your model does not have a graphics card. Initially, when I contacted them, they say your model does not have graphics card, so you won't be able to use those video applications or gaming. You have integrated graphics. And I was like, what? And even in the box, I still have the box. It doesn't say any graphics card thing. I said I have an AMD sticker on my laptop, and in the Amazon page, it was clearly written the graphics card model number, and even Windows detected. So he took the remote. He saw that there was graphics card in it, and he tried to uninstall the driver, put it back. Still, nothing worked. Sony Vegas Pro was crashing after when you render a video. So normally he asked me to contact Sony because it's not of a PC issue, it's or a software issue and all that fuss. And so what I did is I don't have an original Sony license, so I was using a pirated version. So I took a forum help and I found that Sony Vegas Pro 15 supports this graphics card. So this was a newer graphics card and the old Vegas didn't support AMD Radeon graphics. So the new one needs Catalyst Control Center as well as the new Sony Vegas Pro 15. So I installed that and it worked well. Now, after I think after a month or at the end of the month, DVD drive failed. It was not opening. Of course, I didn't put any disk drive in it. I was just opening to test how the DVD works. It came up. I put the CD back. I closed it. I watched some music. I watched some movies and music. Then it came back, and then it didn't went inside. So I forced a little, and when the disk drive went inside, it didn't came back. So it was kind of damaged. I think there was a power failure, which was not allowing to eject. So again, I contacted Lenovo and they have a good customer support. They come to your home to fix things. Great, right? Things were not smooth. So he came, he replaced the drive for free, and they literally bring the drive itself. So it's not like he tested one day, then another day he bring the drive. He carried the drive with him. He just replaced. Even didn't test it, the old one. He just get me replaced. And I was amazed with it. But the way of his repair was not good. He literally did on his lap. It's a 37K laptop. It's a new laptop, and they are doing the repair on their lap. That doesn't sound good, okay? And after a week or so, a dead pixel started to appear on my screen. Now, initially the screen was not good. The viewing angles were pathetic. Only it was brighter and crisp, which was good, but the viewing angles were pathetic. The color accuracy was zero, I would say. Gray appears to be black, black appears to be gray, red appears to be orange. It was really bad display. And this is with all Lenovo laptops. I have my friend's laptop. Even I saw the Yoga series, which was a premium series, and still the display was not educate to my liking. I didn't like the display. If you put a cheap HP laptop in front of it, probably that display gonna look better. So dead pixels are there. I again contacted them. They say that it's a Windows issue, so they asked to format and all the stuff I did. I went to the BIOS and sent them the photo. Then the engineer arrived. He actually took the whole assembly, display assembly. He checked if there's any damage to it. Then he took the photos. He said the model is not with them, so they need to order with the Lenovo, manufacturer from China. And guess what? I received a mail from them. Now I will read the mail. I will show it on the display. And the mail says like this: Dear customer, greetings for the day. This is with your reference to your case regarding Lenovo product, which is locked with Cisnet Global Technologies. So Cisnet Global Technologies is the partner from which I contacted. As discussed, for white patch, we have forwarded the required details to Lenovo. And as per Lenovo, patches due to external pressure and not covered under a normal warranty. Moreover, it will not affect the system functionality. Hence, we are unable to replace this LCD in this case. Kind of looking for your kind cooperation and understanding. I was depressed. Like this new laptop, month-old laptop with a dead pixel, which I suspect is caused because of that guy not repairing it properly. Because I keep it very nice. I mean, this laptop, I keep it in the case. I will show you. It's nice. There's nothing up to the laptop, and I don't take it outside. With this kind of thing, it can damage at this level. What about the people who carry it outside? It's a laptop, of course. It needs to be carried. Okay, no problem. Let's move forward. So they denied the repair. Now, 3 years later, which is I think in December 2019 and January, the dead pixel went too harsh. So there were 3 to 4 dead pixels as a very big line, and it all happened in just 3 years. So it started appearing small, and I didn't do anything. I didn't take my laptop outside my home. It was an automatic process because it was already damaged, and there was also a reason which I will tell you. But this is just the quality of the Lenovo, okay, how the overall quality is. So let's start. Let me unlock this so it looks good. The display was so badly affected with the lines and dead pixels that I was forced to change it. Now I went to the Lenovo again. Now the warranty is over, so I contacted support to the chat support, and they gave me a quotation which was of 6,000 rupees for the display. Yes, for the old Lenovo shit display, which was not at all color accurate, with the pathetic viewing angles. 6,000 rupees, no warranty. So it can damage again and all that fuss. But I went to a local store and I got it replaced for 4,000 rupees with this gorgeous matte color accurate display. This is a very good display. I wish this could be a default Lenovo display because it is really nice, really color accurate, really crisp, matte display, no glossy finish, and all good. Now, I also upgraded the RAM to 8 gigs, so it was with the 4 gigs of RAM and with 2020. I think you need 8 gigs of RAM with all Chrome browsers, video editing and stuff. So with 8 gigs of RAM and a display for 5,000 rupees. And Lenovo was giving me a quotation of 6,000 for that old display plus GST, which going to be really expensive. So under 5,000, the display was repaired, 8 gigs of RAM, all good, smoother performance. It doesn't stop here because it was a DOS laptop, and with Windows, the optimization was not good. Still, there was driver issues. Still, for running some games, I need to reinstall the drivers, format Windows every 6 months, because even saving a Word document, doing Control S in the Word document, resulted in not responding. And why so? Is first of all because of the slow RPM hard drive, uh, as well as the bad optimization with the Lenovo hardware. Because software and hardware in hand works great. This was a DOS laptop, so it was not highly optimized, and drivers were not up to date. And even if I say go to the drivers website, download the latest drivers, it used to create problems. It used to install wrong drivers and all the fuss. I was really depressed, and 6 months ago, I switched to Linux. I switched to Pop OS. This is what it's running since last 6 months. The performance has been incredible with the built-in AMD drivers, which is the I guess OpenGL drivers built into the Linux kernel. Everything is smooth, runs faster, and with 8 gigs of RAM, I can have Chrome browser with 5 taps and still game running in the second display, which I will show you a photo of. It's all good. Then a day, the hinge broke. Just a week later, the hinge broke. And even if I opened the laptop, the keyboard was slanting and the display was in different sides. It was all mess, and I was worried to break the new display, and this was pathetic experience. So I again contacted Lenovo and asked to replace this panel, and they gave me the quotation of 3,500 plus GST. Oh my god, 3 years only, this much investment required. Then I reached to a Ready Infotech and get it replaced for less than 3,000 rupees. So this is the C panel and this is the D panel, which got replaced, and for around 3,000 rupees I got it fixed. But why all this? Like, if Lenovo could make this a better deal, if they can make this better deal, why don't they make it a good product? Why they don't have a good quality of plastic or maybe a metal used in this one, so that it long lasts and give me a good better performance? Why it was not optimized for Windows? Just why? Lenovo, if you are listening to this, please fix your quality. Keep a quality control in the things. And this was not just in my case. My friend Kunal, his display also broke after 2 years, at least 2 years. Like mine was 1 month. And even I've seen the ThinkPad series. The ThinkPad is a professional business grade laptops by Lenovo, and even the display were not that good. It was better than, of course, the GCDs, but it was not good. Even I saw the Yoga premium metal CDs, and display was not as good as what other high-end premium laptops are offering. So that's the reason why I don't recommend Lenovo to anyone. If I want to pick, I definitely choose HP and Asus. And it's not like that they are best. Even the HP has a keyboard problem, and the Asus, I don't know what Asus has a problem with, but I heard about the HP keyboards getting jammed. In this case, probably Lenovo has the best keyboard and trackpad and better hardware for the price. If they can improve quality and put better displays, I highly recommend Lenovo. Other than that, currently, I don't. Thanks for watching. Maybe this helped you buy a new laptop, or maybe you just don't listen to this video and grab a Lenovo. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.